Hey everyone, do you want to permanently delete your WhatsApp account on your iPhone? Don't worry, I will show you the easy step to do it. Step 1, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Step 2, open WhatsApp settings. Tap settings in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3, go to account settings. Tap account, then select my delete account. Step 4, enter your phone number. Enter your phone number in full international format including your country code. Step 5, delete your WhatsApp account. Tap delete my account, select a reason for deleting your account. If asked, then tap delete my account again to confirm. Final tip, remember deleting your WhatsApp account is permanent and will remove your account information and message history. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy iPhone tips.